Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And the markets are reverse course this morning with Tillerson staying. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq have both reversed course as they to hit record highs after U.S. Secretary of State Rex Tillerson denied reports that he had been considering resigning in a press conference this morning. So with that, we'll take a look at where the market's standing. I kind of feel like it's Groundhog Day. Seems like every day I get ready to do this and the markets are hitting record highs. And as you can see, the S&P 500, which was down a little bit this morning, is up about 0.1%, relatively unchanged for the day at the moment, currently trading at 2,539.30 with a chart analysis score plus 100. Key level to watch remains 2,474.52. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently trading at 22,675.86 after hitting an all-time high this morning. Chart analysis scores plus 100, indicating that the strong trend is still in place. Key level to watch will be 21,927.79. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Nasdaq currently trading at 6,538.84 with the chart analysis score plus 100. Green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch will be 6,343.94. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index has actually had, this will be its second day of declines, coming under a little bit of pressure. Currently trading at 93.29 with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that a sidelines mode is in order for the US dollar. Key level to watch will be 91.16. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade trial indicating a move back to a short position for the US dollar. Crude oil currently trading around that $50 level with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that a sidelines position is in order for a short-term time frame on crude oil. Key level to watch would be 51.71. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade trial, indicating a move to a long position for crude oil. And we'll go to the gold here, wrap it up. Currently trading at 1,275.80 with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that a short sidelines position is in order for gold. We had that daily trade triangle trigger at 1,282.80 today, exiting the short position that we entered back here at 1,291.70. Key level to watch for gold will be 1,271. A move back below that level would issue a red daily trade trial indicating a move back to a sidelines position. I'm going to do something a little different here today. I'm going to show you, for all those new members that have joined Market Club out there, how to find new trades based on the trade triangles. And we're going to go right up here. We'll hit trade triangles. This will take you to the recent trade triangle list where you can find the latest signals to trade in Market Club based on the trade triangles. And we're going to set our criteria here as equity. I like to set my volume at greater than 2 million. It gives you some liquidity and protection in the markets. Monthly trade triangles, and we're going to scan today. This is really where the power of Market Club comes in to help you. As you can see, it returns 9 stocks with some red and green trade triangles. We're just going to sort it right here by this trade triangle list. This will sort it top to bottom with greens on the top, reds on the bottom. And as you can see, we got 4 stocks that we could take a look at today that triggered new monthly trade triangles. One little sneaky bit of advice here, I always get this question, is how do I open up multiple charts so I can look at them all at one time? And what I do is you can't see it here, but I hold the control button down on my keyboard for a PC. If you happen to be on a Mac, you can use your command button, and we'll go hold that button down and we'll click on each chart here, and then up above in your browser it will open a new tab for you, and then you can quickly go through and check each of these charts for the new monthly trade trial indicated right here for the ARNC triggered today at 26.84 as a buy. Currently trading at 26.67, so a little bit of a pullback. You could definitely use that as an entry today. Move along to Express. You can see here a new monthly trade triangle. We'll go ahead and turn these daily trade trials as we're really not worried about them when we're trading stocks. Currently trading at $71, triggered at $6.93. Still a good entry based on the parameters of trading the trade triangles. Six Flags, a name we all know, currently trading at $61.99, triggered today at $61.66. Definitely a viable candidate. Something I like to do too, just kind of to give you a little refresher on what I look for. And we'll turn these daily trade triangles off here, and we'll change this to a line graph. I like to see where the stock's been. Are we heading new all-time highs, which we actually had back here? Looks like over the last 2 years was around 65.19. Currently trading at 61.90. We can break through this was a 62 level right here. We could see it go to up back to test that 65 level. Just something to keep an eye on. Look at where a stock's been coming from, where it's been. Has it had nice even moves, or are there severe gaps in there? And Six Flags looks like a pretty good candidate for a long-term trade. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I'll be back to wrap up the end of the week.